Hi, my friends. Now you can see another selection of the coolest devices from Amazon and AliExpress sites. All the links to items in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell symbol to get everyday updates. Let's go.
I can't wait to travel the world! There's so much to explore and so much to learn. I want to go on an African safari.
I'm the African elephant. I live as long as 70 years.
That's so cool. I want to visit the Eiffel Tower, travel through provinces, open up a jet engine, learn origami, taste the best sushi, and fill up my passport. I will travel and explore the whole world. Gotta go. Time to pack my bags again.
light. The blinking green light indicates that it is charging. A solid green light will appear within 3 hours when the module is fully charged. If you see a blinking red light, this is an indication that it is not properly positioned on the charging base. In this case, simply move it around until you see the blinking green light.
On the off chance that you need to see my different recordings, make certain to watch and obviously remember, subscribe to my channel and give me likes and comments. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you soon.